Hello, and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 15th, 2024, and we're here with some of our onion seedlings here. And these are ready to actually be trimmed. So you want a sharp, clean pair of scissors. And I'm just taking them. Okay, so if you see down here, you're going to see you have these two branches here where they branched off. You do not want to cut below this. Do not cut below that. So we're just going to kind of go up top here. And we're going to start cutting.
Can you show them?
Go up top here and trim. And what that's going to do is that's going to force the energy back down into these bulbs that the onions are forming. We're not cutting them too short. And I'm making sure that my hand is nowhere near the scissors so I don't cut myself. Oops. Go. Just get these cut here. So this will get done on all of these then. And I found that there is a noticeable difference in the onion bulbs and the onion roots when these are trimmed and when they're not. But if you look here, I'm sorry. You can still see you have your onion bulb down here that's forming, and you have the branches here where it branched off from. So this is going to push the energy back down into the bulb. And it's going to give us larger roots and bulbs. So it's definitely something that we do, and we're going to do that with all of these. So you can, I'm sorry, you can see here what I have. And we were planting earlier and transplanting stuff, but these are all going to get cut this way. Now these were started in January, and we started them from seed. You can see the types of flats that we use. This is a homemade flat here, and we just took one of the daisy trays. We put some landscapers fabric in our seed starting mix, and we planted our seeds in. And this here is our recycled food tray that has holes drilled in the bottom for drainage. We're big on recycling. So I do have videos on my channel for how to start onions from seed. Now we're gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, so we need long day onions. And I have a lot of videos on my channel for growing onions, starting them from seed. I'll have some videos at the end of this video that you can check out. There'll be some different things you can click on. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. And also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.